I'm looking at my hair and I'm gonna spray it with water. I know I'm not gonna reapply stuff just because I don't have time. And what I also wanted to let you guys know is when I talk about my hair still holding moisture for like when it held moisture for the month, or whenever I say that my hair held moisture really well, I'm mainly talking about my chunky part, the twist, and like inside of my hair, if that makes sense. So I don't judge how it's holding moisture based on the outer layer of any of it, except for the twist. So this part right here that you see on the top, the surface of my hair, I don't judge moisture based on that, just because the outside surface layer of my hair, it always appears to be dry compared to the rest of everything else. But inside, under here, would be a better indicator, or the twist itself would be a better indicator of how well it's holding moisture. So that's how I say if my hair is like holding moisture or if it's not. So we're just gonna spray water because I told you guys I would look at it. And if I probably wouldn't have told y'all, I probably wouldn't have did it, honestly. So yeah. And I'm using the mist bottle that everybody was asking about. Oh, I got in my eye. And so if y'all were wondering about the bag method too, since Miss Tiffany said not to overdo it, if you are trying to go long stretches without reapplying, then the bag method would probably be a good thing to incorporate. So since I'm not going to reapply for at least another week, so it'll be 3 weeks of me not reapplying, I am going to spray water and then do the baggy method for a little while, just so I can get that moisture back locked in without redoing the product. So, and then if you are doing what I'm doing, like not reapplying and stuff, when you spray your water, you still want to kind of make sure you get on the inside too, not just the outer surface. You want to kind of, almost like a water only washing your hair type thing that people do. It's kind of like that. You still want to make sure you're getting like all parts of your hair. So create some pockets and spray the water. And hey everybody. I know I probably forgot to say hey. And you want to, like, if you're doing this method, you want to make sure that the water is actually, like, absorbing into your hair really well. So that's why I said I use so much water, like a bottle and a half. Because I want to make sure that, you know, when you put the water on your hair, of course, some of it is going to, like, drip off. But that's why you want to keep doing it until, like, you have enough in there to where once you're done with that section, if you were to go back after you're done and squeeze it again, the water would start to come out, or product would start to ooze back up. Because water, for some reason, on my end at least, water reactivates the product. So if you go back in and squeeze it, and then it starts to like ooze or drip water, then you know you put enough water in. At least that's how I judge mine. So every Saturday, that's supposed to be my reapply day, but I don't do it. And since this one is really chunky, like I told y'all, like to open up the sections, like the root section to spray the water, you probably want to like dig your finger in the middle of your chunky twist or section, whatever you're doing, and spray water inside and kind of work it in. Because it's no good if you're just spraying the outside. You want to kind of reactivate all parts of it as much as you can. Threading is easy. It really is. And it's time saving, at least for me. It seems like I braid slow. So when I can just like loop a thread around, it saves me so much time. So yeah, if you are trying to save time, you will like threading, KT. And it keeps your hair just as stretched. And then grease, yeah. At least in my experience, especially using it the traditional way. Like if you're mixing something else before you actually put the Chebe on your hair, I don't consider that to be the traditional way. So if you're pre-mixing your stuff and using like a butter or something else, then you probably aren't experiencing dryness. But like I know when people are saying that they're using a butter and like doing it the closer to the traditional way, like not pre-mixing the powder into anything else, then that's when they're probably experiencing some dryness. Because I know that's what I felt like I was experiencing dryness when I tried that way last year. When I tried using the shea butter as my grease step, but I was applying it how I normally do, then it wasn't doing right. Hey, Tiffany. So let's see if I did a good job on this one. You can see it's dripping. So that's good. Like at least I know my ends are pretty good. But let's see. That's what I mean. Like so that's how you'll know if you put enough water in it when you get done with a section. It's if you squeeze it and it drips. So